Engwe Engine Pro 2.0 stands out as a compelling option for those looking for an e-bike that can seamlessly transition between urban commuting and off-road adventures. From the moment you lay eyes on this rugged yet stylish bike, its design exudes a sense of purpose. The mountain green finish is not just visually appealing, but also practical for outdoor enthusiasts, blending effortlessly with the natural landscapes you're likely to explore. Its bold 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires dominate the bike's profile, projecting confidence and an undeniable readiness to tackle even the roughest and toughest terrains. The aluminum alloy frame's folding design is another highlight, combining portability with durability in a way that many competing e-bikes fail to achieve. With a sturdy rear rack, an ergonomic saddle, and thoughtful details like an LCD display and high-performance lighting system, this bike checks all the boxes for both form and function. Unboxing the bike felt like a first glimpse into the thoughtful engineering behind it. Every component was carefully packed to ensure it arrived in pristine condition despite the challenges of long-distance shipping. Inside the box, the partially assembled bike was accompanied by a 52-volt 16-amp lithium battery, a 3-amp charger, and a complete toolkit. Even before hitting the trails, I was impressed by the bike's build quality. The manual was clear and concise, allowing me to assemble the bike in less than an hour. Attaching the handlebars and folding pedals was straightforward, and the rear rack snapped into place with minimal effort. The battery, which slots seamlessly into the bike's frame, added a touch of stealth to its rugged look. After ensuring that everything was secure, I plugged in the battery for a full charge. In anticipation of the adventure ahead, the North Georgia mountains, a breathtaking segment of the Appalachian range, served as the perfect testing ground for the Engwe Engine Pro 2.0. This sparsely populated area is known for its rolling hills, sharp turns, and stretches of unpaved roads that demand skill and precision from both rider and bike. The kind and neighborly locals are an added bonus, making every visit to the region a welcoming experience. The roads, however, are anything but forgiving. Steep ascents, loose gravel, and unpredictable wildlife crossings make this terrain a true test of endurance and adaptability. For me, these challenges were exactly what I was looking for to evaluate the bike's capabilities. As I set off, the bike's 1200-watt motor immediately made its presence known. The motor's peak power output provided smooth and consistent boost, propelling me up inclines that would have been daunting on a traditional bike. Whether it was a gradual slope or a near vertical climb, the motor delivered with a level of reliability that made the ride enjoyable rather than strenuous. The integration of the Shimano 8-speed gearbox added another layer of control, allowing me to fine-tune my pedaling effort to match the terrain. The shifts were smooth and precise, making it easy to maintain momentum even as the road conditions changed. On the long stretches of gravel roads that snake through the mountains, the bike's puncture-resistant fat tires proved invaluable. These tires are designed not just for durability, but also for performance, providing excellent grip on loose surfaces while minimizing vibrations. The full suspension system worked in tandem with the tires to absorb shocks and bumps, ensuring a smooth ride even over rugged terrain. Riding over exposed tree roots and scattered rocks, I felt completely in control, with the bike responding intuitively to my inputs. This level of performance is a testament to the thought and care that went into this bike's design. Descending the steep and winding roads was equally thrilling. The bike's hydraulic disc brakes provided reliable and powerful stopping performance, giving me the confidence to tackle sharp turns and sudden changes in elevation. Even at high speeds, the brakes felt responsive and consistent, which was especially important on sections of the trail where visibility was limited. The added security of the bike's bright LED headlight and tail light ensured that I remained visible to any vehicles or fellow riders, even as dust began to settle over the mountains. One of the most practical aspects of the Engwe Engine Pro 2.0 is its high brightness LCD display. This display provides all the essential information: speed, battery life, mileage at a glance, making it easy to plan your ride and manage your energy levels. Even in direct sunlight, the screen remained legible, a feature that is often overlooked but crucial for outdoor adventurers. The anti-slip grips and ergonomic saddle further enhanced the ride, ensuring that I remained comfortable even after hours on the trail. The bike's battery performance was nothing short of exceptional. With a maximum range of 68 miles, the Engwe Engine Pro 2.0 is built for long-distance exploration. During my ride, I covered over 30 miles, including challenging uphill sections and sustained high-speed descents, without depleting the battery. A fast charging capability meant that I could quickly top up the battery for another ride, minimizing downtime and maximizing adventure. This level of efficiency makes the bike a practical choice, not just for outdoor enthusiasts, but also for commuters who need reliable and consistent performance. After a day of riding, folding the e-bike for transport was a breeze. The aluminum alloy frame folding mechanism is both intuitive and secure, allowing the bike to fit easily into the back of my car. This portability is a game changer for those who want to combine cycling with other modes of transport, whether it's taking the bike on a public transit or packing it for a road trip. Despite its rugged build, the bike remains surprisingly lightweight and manageable, making it accessible for riders of all age and fitness levels. Beyond its technical capabilities, the Engwe Engine Pro 2.0 offers a sense of freedom and exploration that is hard to quantify. Whether you're navigating the bustling streets of a city or exploring the quiet, unpaved roads of the mountains, this bike adapts to your needs with ease. For commuters, the bike's combination of speed, range, and cargo capacity make it a practical and efficient alternative to traditional transportation. For adventurers, its durability and off-road performance open up new possibilities for exploration, from forest trails to mountain passes. The North Georgia mountains provided the perfect backdrop to test this ride. But the Engwe Engine Pro 2.0 is a bike that can thrive in a variety of environments. Its versatility and reliability make it an ideal choice for riders who demand more from their equipment, whether that means tackling challenging terrain or simply enjoying a leisurely ride through the park. Priced at the moment of making this video, $1,149, the bike offers exceptional value for its features and performance, rivaling models that cost significantly more. When it comes to camping, the Engwe Engine Pro 2.0 transforms from a commuter bike to an outdoor adventurer's best friend. The rugged build and off-road capabilities make it ideal for navigating the trails and rough terrains that are often part of camping trips. One of the most significant advantages for campers is the bike's extended range, thanks to the 52-volt 16-amp battery. With up to 68 miles on a single charge, the bike can take you deep into the wilderness, exploring trails that might otherwise be inaccessible. The powerful motor ensures you can tackle steep inclines or rocky paths without breaking a sweat, allowing you to conserve energy for setting up camp or enjoying other activities. The fat tires and full suspension system are particularly useful when navigating dirt trails or gravel roads leading to campsites. These features ensure that the ride is smooth and stable, even when carrying additional gear. The sturdy aluminum alloy rear rack is a game changer for campers, capable of holding everything from tents to sleeping bags to cooking equipment. With the right accessories such as a waterproof rear bag, you can even protect your essentials from the elements. For those who camp in areas with unpredictable terrain such as forest trails with exposed tree roots or sandy beaches, the Engwe Engine Pro 2.0 excels. The wide tires provide ample grip on loose surfaces, preventing slippage and ensuring you can navigate safely. Whether you're riding through a dense forest or alongside a scenic lake, the bike's quiet operation allows you to enjoy the sounds of nature without disruption. Camping often involves unexpected detours, and this bike's foldable design offers unparalleled flexibility. You can load it into your car or RV with ease, saving space for other camping gear. Once in the campsite, The bike can also double as a quick and efficient mode of transportation for fetching supplies or exploring the area. The Engwe Engine Pro 2.0 is more than just a bike, it's an invitation to explore. Its combination of power, comfort, and practicality make it stand out in its category, delivering a riding experience that is both thrilling and dependable. Whether you're an experienced cyclist or a newcomer to the world of e-bikes, this model offers something for everyone. For me, the test drive in the North Georgia mountains was more than just a review. It was a journey, one that reminded me of the joy and freedom that cycling can bring. If you're in the market for an e-bike that can keep up with your sense of adventure, the Engwe Engine Pro 2.0 deserves your attention.